Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a clear frame to your video on CapCut. So first, you can just open your project or your videos in CapCut. Then click on overlay and add a white overlay. You can add it from the stock videos like this. Then just cover your screen with the white overlay, and then here go to mask, then select the rectangle. So in here you can just fit the size of the white overlay until it goes like this. So you need to leave like a little space on the edges of your video like this. Then you can just click on invert. Okay, so you'll have a white frame like this, and to make it clear or to make it transparent, you just need to go to blend and just lower the opacity of the white overlay until it becomes transparent or clear like this. I'm going to go with 30. Then just click on the check icon, and there you go, you'll have that clear frame on your video. Okay everyone, so I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.